Alright, this is going to be the second audio test for the TROS Kylo. So I actually went with my Zoom Multi-Stomp from my Vader. I made a new profile, really tweaked it in, and I'm actually using two of the 12 watt Akers because one was a little lopsided just in the chest, at least now with two. It kind of blends in well enough. There's some bulk on my sides, but with the cape I'll get away with it. And then I've got the Zoom mounted at the back underneath the tunic so it's not seen. So the cape definitely gives some leeway that TFA didn't with using the Zoom, because it's a taller profile than the Boss VE5. But the VE5 can't use the amplified speakers, at least in my experience. So because of that, it was a really low volume. So I used to use it a couple times at events, and it just didn't work out. So this is going to be a test now with the Zoom Multi-Stomp set for Kylo. Two 12 watt speakers. They're only running about half power because it's a small room, but we'll give it a try. So obviously now you have my regular voice and then what the voice changer will do.
Okay, so this is with the voice changer now. We have a spy in our ranks. We just sent a message to the resistance. Wherever this traitor is, won't stop us. With what I've seen on Exegol, the First Order is about to become the true empire. So, it's pretty clear, it's pretty loud, and so far so good.